Exercise 3.5, question number 2. Examine for the rational roots of 2x cube minus x square minus 1 is equal to 0. Right? Here we have to check what are the rational roots. So using the rational root theorem, I am going to solve this particular equation. So what is P? P is nothing but divisors of the constant term. So 1 can be divided by plus or minus 1. And what is Q? Q is nothing but first terms, that means coefficient of the first term, which is 2. So 2 can be divided by plus or minus 1 and 2 can be divided by plus or minus 2. Now you have to find P by Q. So plus or minus 1 divided by plus or minus is plus or minus 1. Plus or minus 1 is divided by plus or minus 2 is plus or minus 1 by 2. So these are all the possibilities. Now I am going to check all the possibilities and I am going to find the rational roots. Right. Now P of 1. So substituting P of 1. So 2 into 1 cube minus 1 square minus 1, which is equal to 0. So 1 is a root. And P of minus 1. 2 into minus 1 the whole cube minus 1 square minus 1, which is equal to minus 4, which is equal to 0. Which is not equal to 0. Therefore minus 1 is not a root. Now coming to P of 1 by 2. Okay, so 1 is substituted, we got a root, minus 1 is substituted, it is not a root. Now 1 by 2. So P of 1 by 2 on substituting, 2 into 1 by 2 the whole cube, which is 1 by 8, minus 1 by 2 the whole square is 1 by 4 minus 1. So you have got 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4 minus 1, which is equal to minus 1, which is not equal to 0. So 1 by 2 is not a root. And finally, P of minus 1 by 2. So 2 into minus 1 by 2 the whole cube is 2 into minus 1 by 8 and minus 1 by 2 the whole square is 1 by 4 minus 1. So this is cancelling, minus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4 minus 1. So minus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4 is minus 1 by 2 minus 1, which is equal to minus 3 by 2, which is not equal to 0. So this is also not a root. So we have got x minus 1 is a root. Now you see the question. See here, it is a 2x cube. Cube means you must have at least 3 solutions. Up to 3 solutions you will have. So but only one solution you have got. It means nothing but x is equal to 1 is a root and remaining 2 roots might be imaginary roots or it might be a rational root. That's all. Now coming to next problem. X to the power 8 minus 3x plus 1, which is equal to 0. Now solution, take this equation as P of x. Now we have to find P. What is P? The last term's divisor, which is nothing but plus or minus 1. And Q is nothing but the first term's coefficient, which is 1. That is also plus or minus 1. So P by Q is nothing but plus or minus 1. So now substituting this 1 and minus 1 in this P of x. So P of 1 is 1, so 1 to the power 8 is 1 minus 3 into 1 plus 1. So 1 minus 3 plus 1, which is equal to minus 1, which is not equal to 0. So 1 is not a root. Now taking P of minus 1. So 1 minus 1 to the power 8 is 1 minus 3 into minus 1 plus 1, which is equal to 1 plus 3 plus 1, which is equal to 5, which is also not equal to 0. So minus 1 is not a root. So all the suggestions are over. So it means no rational root. So same concept only. No rational root means remaining roots. I mean all the 8 roots are maybe imaginary or irrational roots. Thank you.